Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie, and today I got my golden egg. So we are going to hatch it and see what we get. If it is a golden dragon, I'm going to change this Draco Malfoy to Harry Potter, and I'm going to make the golden dragon's name Draco Malfoy because he is golden. Anyways, hi Stella. So when Stella hatched her golden egg, she got a golden griffin. So we are going to take it to bed. So let's just go take it to bed in Stella's unicorn room, because that's usually the best I can do, I guess. So let's just put it in the most fanciest bed here. And so I'm just gonna go right here, and I'll show you guys when it's done with this task. Okay, so it's thirsty, so move your honeybee! Move your honeybee! Move your honeybee! Oh my god. Can you move your Thank you. King bee. Thank you. Golden egg. Okie dokie. So, come on. This is very exciting. So, golden egg's not thirsty anymore. Oh my gosh, that was so fast. Like, how does it do it like that? Let's see. Let's find the best stroller in here that I have. Probably this one. Hello? Where's my golden egg? There we go. Hello?
Give back the stroller.
Hello?
Give back that stroller.
Hello? Oh, thank you, Stella. Okay, so let's see, where are we gonna go next? So it's probably gonna want a shower, so I guess we can just like explore the house for now, I guess. I'm gonna show you guys my new room. So this is for this is my section. This is Stella's section, and this is Chloe Plays section. And then we have a little loft up here, which is the non-recording loft. So we have the TV and a couch. So I'm going to put my golden egg on the couch. And then we also have some bread right here that they can eat, and then some water that they can drink. We got a rainbow cupboard with donuts. So yeah, it's the non-recording loft. So the golden egg needs a shower, so we're gonna head into Stella's unicorn room. And okay, so we're gonna put it back in the stroller, cause you know, needs to ride in style. Da 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 da. Okie dokie, here we go into Stella's unicorn room. Plop. Okay, so now we're here. Take bath. Okay, I think this is the last task, but I'm not really sure, so I'm gonna close my eyes when it hatches, and then I'm gonna be very excited to see what it is. Okay, please hatch. Oh, it's hatching! Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. My eyes are closed. My eyes are closed. Open in 3, 2, 1. Dang it. Okay. I got a golden griffin. Just like Stella. I got a golden griffin. Oh my gosh. Wow. I was hoping for a golden dragon, but hey, I mean, golden griffin works. Let's see. Let's find a name. We're gonna name you. Okay, 1 second, Stella. Okay. We're gonna name you. Stop! Don't hold it! Don't hold it! Don't hold it! Put it down! Jeez! Thank you. You know what? We're gonna go with a Harry Potter name. So let's see. Let's do Granger, maybe. Please don't tag out. Yes, it didn't tag out! Oh, he's so cute. I mean, she's so cute. I called it a he. Hermione Granger. Give me Hermione back. Give me Hermione back. Stop. Stop it. I'm smart. No, she's in the floor. Eee! Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I'm gonna give Stella her stroller back. There we go. And get item from hand stroller. There we go. Okie dokie. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe with post notifications, and yeah, thanks for clicking on this video. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.